Welcome back to my channel. This is PC Amateur Guy. Today I'd like just to do a quick review on the Hyte Revolt 3. I think it's a pretty good PC. And just very quickly, it has two USB-A in the front, one USB-C, headphone jack. On the side, you can fit up to 280 ILO radiator, also 120 and 140, and 240 millimeter AIO. The GPU you could do up to 335 millimeters in length, up to 3 slots. Just keep in mind that if it's more than 320 millimeters in length, you're gonna have a problem installing the fans in the top. 80 millimeter fans, you can fit actually 2 up there. Yeah, case is like, honestly, the case is like 18 pounds. It has a nice handle, and also you can pull this out as well to put headphones. Kind of cool. It's not really a case that you can travel with, to be honest, because it is pretty heavy. So just keep in mind it's gonna be pretty stationary. It has filters on all sides. These are toolless, very toolless. So yeah, I like it. And that's my quick review. Thanks for watching.